In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and manage your Klaviyo API key. Whether you're setting up integrations or just exploring this powerful tool, knowing how to access your API key is crucial. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Klaviyo homepage. This is your main control center when using Klaviyo, and from here, you can navigate to the various sections of your account. Once you're on the homepage, you might be wondering what to do next. Don't worry, it's simple. Look towards the lower left corner of your screen, where you'll find your profile icon. It's that little avatar symbol that represents your account. Click on this profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. This is your gateway to all the various settings Klaviyo offers, but for today, we're just focusing on one. In this menu, look for the option labeled Settings. Give that a click, and you'll be transported to a new page. This page is your Settings Hub, containing everything you need to customize and control your Klaviyo experience. Now that you're in the Settings section, look for the option that says API Keys. This is typically nestled among other options related to your account's backend. Select this, and you will find yourself on a page displaying your current API keys. If you already have API keys set up, this is where you'll see both your public and private API keys listed. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this layout, as it can be an important area for managing your integrations and app connections. In case you don't see any API keys listed yet, don't worry. Creating a new API key in Klaviyo is straightforward. On this same page, there will be an option to generate a new API key. Simply follow the prompts, and you'll be able to create one in no time. Remember, these keys are sensitive pieces of information, so be sure to handle them cautiously and only share them when absolutely necessary. And there you have it. That's all it takes to access and manage your Klaviyo API keys. Whether you're integrating with external apps or customizing your Klaviyo account, having access to these keys is a fundamental step. Hopefully, this guide has made the process clear and straightforward for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or consult the official Klaviyo resources. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.